everyone. They're terrible numbers. I suppose it's not really a surprise. As Will pointed out, the drop in participation meant the actual main unemployment rate only getting to 6.2%. I think Josh Frydenberg talking about getting to 10%. It's been very consistent with what the government and the Reserve Bank has been talking about. Those underemployment numbers are probably more of the real story here. So it does look as if you think that more than 1 million people have hit the one touch, that we will see something similar again in May or over coming months. And that the issue that Will raised as well is what to do about this job keeper that might limit the headline unemployment rate getting towards 10%. We think it might not get there. But it does mean, how do you deal with that later in the year? It'll roll off in October. Hopefully the economy will be stronger then. But if they do start to scale it back, you could see maybe a sort of a longer protracted impact on the economy, which is what we're thinking. So rather than a V-shaped, you'd be looking at something a bit more U-shaped in Australia.
Tony, with regards to job creation then, and in terms of any recovery that we could hope to see, how much confidence is there in Scott Morrison's government with regard to job creation policies that they are putting forward?
Yes, well, so I think it's right to think about how the impact will be across sectors. So you think of hospitality, for example. Tourism is simply just not going to come back anytime soon, even with a reopening of the domestic economy. So there's going to be a shift in activity. We would expect some job creation in transport. There's an awful lot of spending going online, for example, during the shutdown. The health sector should see a lot more money going there. So you're going to be seeing a sort of structural shift in the economy. But with so many workers working in retail and tourism, for example, I think that's why the government maybe start to shift the focus for this job keeper and support into those sectors, and just hopefully see where other parts of the economy can start to pick up.